guys, so today I'm doing a no foundation look. It's perfect in this humid weather when you don't want to put too much product on your face. Also, it's great during the daytime. So let's get started. We'll start with applying a moisturizer. I'm using this Innisfree lotion. So I'm taking a little bit of this Innisfree lotion and applying it all over my face. After that, I'm taking this Innisfree jelly cream and applying it. So why I'm moisturizing my face really well is I just want a very nice glowy look, a glowy skin, but yet no makeup on it, like no foundation absolutely on my skin. You can apply any moisturizer, any cream, any serum that suits your skin type. Just pushing the cream into my skin, it's very important. I'm now applying my sunscreen. Again, it's an Innisfree sunscreen. Never step out without your sunscreen. Actually, you should apply sunscreen when you're just sitting at home also. It's very important that every day you apply the sunscreen after your moisturizer. So we're done with the moisturizing our skin. I've applied my sunscreen also. Now I'll straight go ahead with my concealer. So my favorite, I think you all know this concealer now. It's MAC, it's NW30. Again, so now I've applied the concealer just under my eyes, just on the dark circles, and I'm dabbing it. Not rubbing it, dabbing it. If you rub, you shift the product from your skin. We don't want to do that. We want the product to be there on the skin, so we need to press it. I'm going to use another concealer, which is a Tarte concealer, just to brighten up this area. So this is what I like to do. I like to just conceal my dark circles first and then brighten up this area. So just using very less concealer. Probably I can use it on my eyelid also. Yeah, done. Again, just dab the entire product on your skin. I'm just pressing all this product onto my skin with my foundation brush. Okay, so now I'm taking MAC Stroke Cream. So I'm applying the stroke cream just on these highlighting points. If you don't have dark circles as crazy as me, you don't even need to apply that much Tarte product that I applied. My face is shining a bit too much right now. Well, the skin will absorb it. So after this step, you can take any loose powder or a compact. I'm taking MAC Studio Fix. And with a brush like this, I'm just dabbing it under my eye because I don't want my concealer to shift. You can apply it all over your face if you want to, if you have an oily skin. Well, I don't, I have a dry skin. But I'm still applying a little bit on the forehead. Now I'm just going ahead with my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Brow Gel. Be very careful about the quantity that you're taking in the brush. Okay, now since the brows are done, I'll just highlight the brow bone a little bit. I'm just taking a matte shade to highlight the brow bone. I'm not going with a shimmer highlighter or anything because it's daytime. Alright, so now if you wish, you can just add a little bit of eyeshadow here with your fingers. Okay, now I'm just curling the lashes and put lots of mascara. If you want at this point of time, you can also add some eyeliner to your eyes. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I just wanted to keep my eyes also very nude because this is actually a no makeup but still some makeup on your face look. Wow. Done. Using this MAC blusher. Nothing too much, just very little. So guys, this is my no foundation makeup look, and so as you can see, just by concealing the dark circles, the face starts looking so much better, and obviously mascara and eyebrows make a huge difference. I know my lipstick is a bit too dark. I'm not such a, like, this is not my color, but since I recently bought it, I wanted to try it. This is from Huda Beauty. The shade is Trendsetter. I know it's dark, but who cares? Let it be. So I'll see you guys with my next video soon. Until then, you take care of yourself, take care of your skin, drink lots of water, and eat healthy.